Hey food lovers, welcome to a culinary journey through the heart of France. Today, I'm diving into the heart of French cuisine to bring you the top 25 French dishes you simply can't miss. From savory to sweet, these dishes are a testament to the rich culinary heritage of France. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let your taste buds travel to France. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just curious about French cuisine, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with a classic. This is chicken braised with wine, mushrooms, and garlic, known as coq au vin. It's a dish that embodies the essence of French cooking. Next up, Ratatouille, not just a movie. This is a beautiful vegetable medley bursting with flavors. It's a celebration of fresh, seasonal produce. From the coastal city of Marseille, we have Bouillabaisse, a rich, flavorful fish stew that's a must-try. It's a symphony of seafood and aromatic herbs. Moving on to something simple yet divine, the croque monsieur. The ultimate grilled ham and cheese sandwich, French style. Perfect for a quick yet satisfying meal. Quiche Lorraine is a savory tart with bacon, cheese, and a creamy custard filling. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed any time of the day. For the adventurous eaters, we have escargots, snails cooked with garlic butter. An adventurous eat that's surprisingly delicious. A true French delicacy. Duck confit is another must-try. Duck legs cooked slowly in their own fat until melt in your mouth tender. It's a dish that showcases the art of slow cooking. And who can forget the tarte tatin? An upside-down caramelized apple tart. Pure bliss. It's a dessert that combines simplicity with elegance. The baguette, this iconic French bread with its perfect crust, is a daily staple. No French meal is complete without it. Cassoulet is a hearty dish of slow-cooked beans, pork, and sausage. Comfort food at its best. It's a dish that warms the soul. French onion soup is another classic. Rich beefy broth topped with gooey cheese and crispy bread. Perfection in a bowl. Crepes are thin pancakes that can be sweet or savory, versatile and oh so good. They're a staple in French street food. Beef bourguignon is beef stewed in red wine with onions, mushrooms, and carrots. Robust and hearty, it's a dish that epitomizes French comfort food. Macarons, these delicate, colorful meringue cookies, are as pretty as they are delicious. A treat for both the eyes and the palate. Salade niçoise is a fresh salad with tomatoes, hard-boiled eggs, olives, and anchovies. It's a light yet satisfying dish. Soufflé, light and airy, whether sweet or savory, it's a showstopper. A true test of a chef's skill. Tartiflette is a decadent dish of potatoes, cheese, and lardons. Comfort food to the max, perfect for a cold winter's day. Choucroute garni is sauerkraut with sausage, pork, and potatoes. A hearty Alsatian specialty that's full of flavor. Millefeuille, layers of puff pastry and creamy filling. A pastry lover's dream. It's a dessert that's as elegant as it is delicious. Pissaladière is a Provençal flatbread topped with onions, olives, and anchovies. A savory treat that's perfect for sharing. Blanquette de veau is a creamy veal stew that's both comforting and elegant. A dish that's perfect for a special occasion. Clafoutis is a baked dessert with cherries and a flan-like batter. Simple and delightful, a perfect end to any meal. Galette des Rois is a puff pastry cake traditionally shared at Epiphany. It's a festive treat that brings people together. Foie gras, rich and buttery, this liver delicacy is a festive favorite. It's a dish that's synonymous with luxury. Last but not least, the croissant. The flaky, buttery pastry that's perfect for breakfast. A true symbol of French baking. And there you have it, the crème de la crème of French cuisine. Each dish tells a story and offers a taste of France's rich culinary heritage. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Bon appétit! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy eating! See you soon and enjoy your culinary journey through France.